Welcome back. In the previous videos, you have already learned how to configure database, create new project or open existing project, import or add raster and vector data, create point, line and polygon layer in IGiS desktop software so far. Now, in this video, you will learn how to edit and update the attribute table of an already created vector file. So, let's get started. Open the software. Here, I have already added a India layer vector data in the view. Now, right-click on the layer and open attribute table. You can see there are many attribute fields available in the vector data. We will now add a new field in the vector data. For that, close the attribute table and go to Database tab. Click on Edit Table Structure. A GUI will open. Click on Add New Field. Type the field name and select the data type. Here, you have option to check on default value box and enter any predefined value. This value will be assigned to all features in the field table. Currently, we will continue without checking it. If you want to change the field name, then go to the Rename Field option and rename the field. You can also delete a field from the option provided in the GUI. Now, close the dialog box and open Attribute Table again. To view the new field that has been added recently in the Attribute Table, click on Show and Hide Field option and check on the newly created field. We have now successfully added a new attribute field. Now to add values to this field, double-click on the row of the field for which you want to update the data. After updating the data, click on Yes to save the entered data. We have another option to edit the attribute table. Go to the database, then click on Edit Attribute Table option. Now, click on the desired polygon. Then, a dialog box will appear. Here, you can update the data. If you want to replace any data with a particular value, go to Database tab and select the Find Replace option. A GUI will open. In this GUI, you can select the field and find value and put the value with which you want to replace. To check the replaced data, again open Attribute Table. Here, you can see the replaced value. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.